Enterprise on Kubernetes has a new manager application that allows administrators to monitor and manage their enterprise deployments. When you log into Manager, you are taken to an overview page that gives you a broad perspective of your system, including critical logs and the status and health of important components in your system. Using Manager, you can update and configure the security settings for your organization, as well as manage software licenses. But one of the most sophisticated features of Enterprise on Kubernetes is the software update process. The system is smart enough to detect when new releases and updates are available and can alert the administrator. Let me show you how. I am at build 1250 for version 10.9. I can see that there are two updates that are available. Let me go ahead and install one of these updates. The update process is asynchronous and allows me to interact with the system. It's also returning detailed status messages of the update process. The process systematically iterates over all the affected microservices and in a rolling manner swaps them out with new container images. This process takes a few minutes depending upon the scope of the update. I have run an update before and it was completed successfully, and my system is ready to use. In a similar fashion, I can install the latest software release in this way. Like a modern system, this entire process can be driven with code and automation. Here I have a simple Python script that's communicating with the administrative API to look at the available version of the software, the new updates and releases that are available, and then prepares to apply the update. But before it does that, it modifies the portal user experience to notify its users with a custom banner and via email. It then prepares to apply the update and then waits for the update to finish. Once the update is done, it runs diagnostics to make sure that the health and status of the system is maintained. Enterprise on Kubernetes has been designed from ground up to aid in your automation journey, saving you valuable time and energies in maintaining your deployments.